Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Jennifer and I own a sticker and stationery shop. So I had to completely make over our office because it's been a long time coming and I really wanted to give a lot of our shelves a good scrub and just deep clean and organize. So that is what you're gonna see me doing in this video. I use the kind of den area in my home as my office. Thankfully, the space is really quite large because it's meant to be like an upstairs living room. It was designed to be a gaming room, but I turned it into my office. So yeah, bigger spaces also mean a lot more to clean. So I just organized some polymer clay for our wax business. We do that separate from our sticker business. And then I also reorganized my order filling station. So typically I fill everything where my desk is. So essentially this is kind of where I film some clips of me filling orders, kind of where it looks really nice and pretty. But believe me, when I'm in the middle of filling orders, there is so much to do, so much mess, and it's where my main desk is. I also got this heat press at the end of last year, this auto heat press. I've had that crooked like manual one for a long time now, and I think it broke. So it's been a long time since we've offered sublimated pouches, but now they are back in the shop since we have the automated version, and I love it so much. We're planning on doing t-shirts and stuff like that as well in the future. So here I am applying some contact paper. This used to be a dresser from another room, that's why it doesn't really match the rest of the office furniture, but I wanted to update it with this really cute pink contact paper, and I love the feel of it too. It was kind of like a matte texture. And I'm also putting these tiny little drawers here. These house like our acrylic washi stuff and some die cuts I'll show you later on. And here you can see me reorganizing our washi and also filming it on my phone vertically for Instagram. Although I found a way that I can film vertically and horizontally on the phone at the same time. So I'll probably also do that in the future. But I want to show you kind of what that looks like behind the scenes. This is a different day, I think. So this cleaning took about 6-7 days, and oh my gosh, like I feel so much better. There's no dust, absolute no dust, and everything is so organized. It's not 100%. There's still some areas that I need to like take out and reorganize and such, but all the main areas are done. So I'm going to get to the smaller areas in due time. So we've had washi kind of in specific areas, and then that's kind of where the order filling station is, and then we have the rest of the stock over here, and it looked so disorganized before. I swear I hated looking at it, and now I'm so happy. I also went and cleaned all the bins as well with spray, and this is my, what is that called, like crinkle paper that I use for orders when I put it in boxes, and it was in a box for like the longest time, so I thought it would look nicer if I just put it in one of these bins. I have so many of those, and so I washed them all, I disinfected them, and then I started actually using them. This was all the junk and the trash that were taken out day by day. I had to really recycle a ton of stuff. The trash has already gone last weekend, so I'm really happy about that. Here you are wondering what this is. This is what I call the silhouette graveyard. We have quite possibly, actually, I want you guys to guess how many silhouette machines that we have. They, like the new ones, a portrait 2 or 3 or whatever, just don't work as well as the portrait ones, and the portrait ones I've had forever, so they kind of break. But anyways, we have a lot, and also when we used to have employees, that's when they would use the extra machines. Anyways, I'm just giving you a very just like fast overview of what everything looks like so far. Kind of like a mini tour because I'm not 100% done, even though, like I said, all the main things are done. Yes, I am brainwashed by some type of consumerism because that is a Stanley mug, although I got it in a watercolor pattern. It's so beautiful. I love it. This is my Glowforge. I have some extra washi on that couldn't fit. My Glowforge is my laser and wood cutting engraving machine. And then I have my washi on this wall. I love the labels. I mean, labels, just everything, everywhere, just so much peace. This is my memory spread from last week, and I think it turned out so cute. It was called Love, the Science of Love. And then these are die cuts we just released for our $2 sale, and we have these really cute sparkly ones, and I'm going to organize them in these containers. This long container I actually have two of. One is right next to my main desk, which I'll share with you in my next video, but in this one we house all of our luxe washi. We have a ton of luxe washi variations. And then this is our washi wall. We have a ton of colored ones kind of facing the main wall, and then to the side is our clear washi. So I thought this turned out super nice, and I love how everything is out in the open so you can see it. This is my laptop that I specifically use for the Glowforge. There's a reason why. And then my sublimation printer, which is different from my ink printers. And then those are my cutters and my printers. This is like my main desk area where I am, I think, 99% of the time. As you can see, I just labeled our printers and our machines as well. It came out super cute. I have this bed in here. My sheets are in the wash because when I get tired, I kind of lay down there. I don't want to lay down in my actual bed because I will probably fall asleep. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!